Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariel. I create beauty videos, a little bit of fashion, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can become a socialite. So today's going to be another foundation review. I'm going to be reviewing the new Guerlain Terracotta Teint Healthy Glow Foundation. Now this foundation is supposed to be a revolutionary liquid to powder formula that lasts up to 24 hours. It delivers medium coverage, is supposed to be transfer proof and give you a healthy glow. One of the key ingredients is argan oil, which is supposed to provide a lasting comfort and deliver 24 hours of hydration. Another key ingredient is gemstone, which is a self-adaptable shimmer, and this helps the foundation to adjust to all skin tones. So if you want to see how I got this look and how this product performs by the end of the day, then keep on watching. Okay socialites, so here's the packaging. It's sort of a beige color package with the metallic gold sort of sticker. It's not a sticker, but the square on the front of it that says Terracotta Teint, and it says Guerlain at the bottom. So here's the actual bottle. It's a very chic bottle. It gives old luxury. It gives been around for a while, mature and classy. So it's just a frosted glass bottle, and it has this ambery brown top on it, and it does have the Guerlain logo inlaid inside of the top, which is a nice touch in my opinion. And then it has a soft gold hardware on top with a pump. My skin is normal to combination skin. I do like to do my foundation reviews just on bare skin without a primer, so I can see how the product performs on its own. That way I can recommend the best primer for you. The website doesn't say how much of the product to use, but they do recommend that you use a foundation brush, working your way from the inner all the way to the outside of your face. So I'm going to start off with one pump. Usually one pump is enough foundation to cover my entire face. So this is one pump right here. It's sort of on a thicker consistency. It's not watery at all. As you can see, it doesn't move or run down. So it's on the thicker, creamier side. But as I'm blending it in my hand, it sort of feels in between a watery and moussey texture. Not quite moussey, but not quite watery. It feels quite thin once you blend it out. Although it was that thick texture that didn't run, it gives very loose when you blend it in, so that's very interesting. So I like to start in the areas that I need the most coverage first, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques 200 brush. I did get the color 4.5W. This is a foundation that was quite hard to pick your color on the actual website. I'm going to insert a picture of the model that wears this color on the website, so it was really tough to choose. I might have been 4 in. It was just really hard to tell, but based on the couple of reviews that I saw on African American skin tones on YouTube, this would probably be the best color for me. I'm not mad at foundations that are a bit warm as long as they're a little bit warm, because I do like a bronzier look with my foundation. It just can't be too warm where I'm looking like a red face, you know. This product is quite fragrant. It does have almost a perfumey smell. It smells clean and like a luxury, soft, beautiful fragrance. Although it's a beautiful smell, it is quite fragrant. This foundation does have 30 shades to choose from. About, I would say 11 to about 13 of the shades will probably work for African American skin tones. With one pump, I can still see most of my pigmentation through this product, so it is a true medium coverage foundation. And it's most definitely giving matte for sure. I don't really want to apply more foundation. I am going to take my concealer, my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC45, a very thin concealer with maximum coverage, just to cover a little bit of the pigmentation that still shows through. For concealer, I'm going in with the Dior Forever Skin Correct. This one is in the color 4,5N, and my Sonia Kashuk blending sponge.
Let's get the tape for you.
My Tarte Sculpt Taped Contour Wand. This one's in the color Deep Bronze. Using my brush from the Lip Bar, this is the Fast Face brush. The claims is that this foundation is supposed to be a matte finish, and I would say that it does deliver sort of a soft matte finish. Going in with my Say powder, this one's in the color Translucent Medium. Going into bronze with my Absolute New York Pro Bronzer in the color Dark. My NYX Brow Glue in Dark Brown. So I'm not going to set any more of the rest of my face like with an all over setting powder, because this foundation is supposed to dry to a powder finish. So that's pretty interesting. And it does look and feel like it has dried down to a powder finish. I'm filling in my brows with my Sephora brow pencil. For blush, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Putty Blush with my e.l.f. Putty Blush brush. I'm gonna work from my LA Girl Keep It Playful palette for my eyes. Taking Barney from my Cocoa Pebbles palette. This is my absolute favorite color to sweep underneath my lash line. I'm gonna have to try to match it to something else, because I would hate to buy a whole nother one of these palettes just for this one color, although all the colors in this palette are bomb and it's super pigmented. The quality of these shadows are really, really good. My favorite mascara, the YSL Lash Clash Mascara. My Sephora Liquid Liner in Chocolate. I'm going to take the color Rice from the Cocoa Pebbles palette. For the lip today, I'm using Makeup Forever's Limitless Brown. And Makeup by Mario's New Lippy in the color Caramel. The claims is that this foundation is supposed to deliver up to 24 hours of wear, so we'll be the judge of that. It's now 10:25 a.m., so I'm going to wear the foundation for the rest of the day and come back and let you guys see how it stood up. Okay, socialites, so I'm back. It is now, let's see, it's now 5:50, so it's about 7 hours and 20 minutes later. So this is what we have. I will say that it did sort of oxidize at first, like after maybe about 20 or 30 minutes or so. Like they said, it does have that technology in there, or that key ingredient that makes the color adjust to your skin tone, and it did. But I did buy a warm tone. I got 4.5W, so it's giving what it's supposed to give, but this was just my closest color. But as far as the formula, I do feel like it's a beautiful formula. It did get oily after time. After about 4 to 5 hours, I would say at about the 4-hour point, the natural oil started to show through and it looked just a little luminous. But now at the 7-hour point, I would definitely need to blot. I still wouldn't set it with the powder because it does dry to a powder finish, although I would definitely wear an oil controlling primer for sure. So if you have normal to combo skin, and obviously if you have oily skin, you definitely want to wear a good oil controlling primer. But if you're a person that does have dry skin, I think think this foundation would be perfect for you. I do like the fact that it doesn't emphasize the fine lines and pores. So yeah, if you've tried this foundation already, comment down below and let me know what you think. Every single thing that I use today will be listed down below in the description box. Keep in mind that these are affiliate links, so I will receive a small commission for purchases through those links. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too afraid